Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Orb Plane Charge Kit for Xbox One. This has an 800 milliamp battery, it's rechargeable, and it comes with a lot of different accessories. We're going to get into it just in a second. Now, if you like what you hear in this video, I am using the Pop Voice lavalier microphone, so just pointers up, and this is my first over recording voiceover. So yeah, cutting the tape now on one side, and then we're gonna do the other right now. There we go, and getting the other tape. And now we're gonna go ahead and open the box. I have a little bit of struggle, but it's all right. All right, now opening the box. Sorry, the camera. Might have hit the camera a few times, but it's okay. So, opening the box right now. Alright, so first we have two micro USB cables, which are around 10 feet. The quality of it isn't very good, but the charging capabilities and stuff like that are decent. They're not obviously fast charging or anything, but it takes about 4 to 5 hours for a full charge. So if you plug this into your Xbox One and use the USB port through it and then charge it with the battery on it, then it works like that. You can also do it with the USB out with the wall adapter, and it will also work like that. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and of course to subscribe for more videos just like this. Go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.